Welcome to Travel Esquire'd, where legal meets travel. I'm Glenisa, an attorney and travel advisor just like you. Here we will discuss all things legally related to your travel business, from terms and conditions to dealing with difficult clients and all things in between. My mission is to help you build, grow, and legally protect your travel business. Videos will be posted every Friday, some live, some with special guests, so make sure you stay tuned to my channel. If you like what you hear, subscribe. Use the QR code to get on the email list and receive email reminders and other information by Travel Esquire'd. Now let's get to work.